Okay guys, good day. So I dropped a video yesterday before this movement happens, and I gave you guys a signal. I said I'm going to enter a sell. Immediately I noticed sellers present around here. So immediately I noticed this bearish candle. I entered my sell. There are a lot of things that I checked out and put in place before I actually wait for sellers present. So after the sellers present, I took this trade right from here. And right now we are in 40 pips running already. So for better explanation, you can just check the previous video I dropped yesterday. I explained the reason why I would take my sell if it gives me sellers present. And one of them, let me make a recap. One of them is this: after the market reach this resistance level here, then what is another thing I look out for? The structure, which is this. And if you have been consistent with my YouTube videos, you will understand how I trade my structure. There are a lot of highs and lows in the market. There are something called minor structure and major structure. A lot of people confuse them for each other, but if you can differentiate between them, then you won't have problem with structure. You will really know how to enter. Okay, so let me recap. Let me explain. So after the market reached my resistance, the structure the market formed to reach there is this high, this low, this higher high. Why? All this one that comes down are minor. So this is supposed to be our higher low, but the market got broken. Like the zone got broken. The zone is not really strong enough because it has already reached a resistance at the top. So the last low got broken, market formed lower low. So that's why I marked out this place on 4 hours time frame that okay, so it has got broken. The next lower high we are going to get will be from this other block here after the market take out the liquidity it's formed before it break the last lower low. I hope you understand that. Yeah, so market goes up and take out this liquidity and comes down. Yeah, this is where I was expecting the market to start selling, but I didn't see a strong sellers present. So in my mind I was like, oh, this market is still going up yet to test this zone around here. So immediately market goes up and I noticed this heavy candle on 4 hours is an heavy candle, so I know that this is sellers present. So I took my sell from here. I was in profit. It goes up. I didn't lock profit yet. I was in a little bit of loss, later in profit. I've been holding this trade since yesterday. So right now the market is moving and my TP will be here. My TP will be here. Though I set my TP below here, like 200 pips below, but I will take out of my profit around here. So that's just a quick explanation. If you want to see the real explanation where I break it down from steps to step, then you have to check on my previous video, the last video I dropped before this. Check on it. So that's how we got this trade and we are running in profit. So another trade we also took is GJ. And what is the main reason why I took this trade? The main reason why I took this trade is this market has already formed structure on 4 hours time frame. So this one are the minor. The market is forming. This is a minor, this is a minor, this is a minor, this is a minor. So for market to start making, our market make this impossible move from here to here, I'm expecting this market to come down and make a retracement and test this other block here or a zone here. If the market tests the zone here, I'll look for buyers present before I entered my buy. But if I don't see buyers present, I'm not entering. So I'm expecting that since the market has break this last high, all I'll be waiting for is how to catch the retracement. And I have to be very careful because I'm going against the trend. So immediately I saw this sellers present around here on 4 hours time frame, I was thinking that okay, I should be able to catch it. I know that this market can't just move smoothly, so it's created structure that I can follow right from here to sell. But I didn't take this trade last week, I was just watching. So as this market goes up again, I know that okay, this top here is a strong zone for me. Since this I know that this trade is still going to make a heavy retracement and come down here, take out this liquidity, and you can see this double bottom here. these are liquidity here resting over here. Market will surely take these out. So you can see that market is avoiding it and creating more liquidity, more liquidities. So I know that it will still come down heavily. So I don't know how and when. So since I know that, okay, the market falls from here, but they didn't take out this liquidity and goes up here, I know that this resistance is very strong. This is a 4 hours time frame. So immediately I noticed this seller's presence from this resistance here, and I'm expecting a retracement, and I noticed this seller's presence. So that's why I took this trade. After noticing the seller's presence, I come to my lower time frame. After this 4 hours candle closed, I come to my lower time frame. And now I enter on lower time frame. Now let's go to lower time frame. So this I enter. Immediately this 4 hours candle closed. Immediately this 4 hours candle closed. 4 hours candle closed around here. I think it was around here. And this is already falling, so I took myself from here. I was in profit, later in loss. I can see that the market has already started from a structure. Lower time frame, high, lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So I took myself from here and I set my stop loss above the structure the market is forming. So I'm holding. So I'll be holding this trade till here. Even though I know that this market will take out the liquidity. No, what am I doing? Yeah, I'm holding the trade till, okay, these are the liquidity I'm expecting the market to take out. So I'm holding the trade till around here. So it will be a long trade for the week. I always say there is always a swing movement in every week. Just learn how to catch it. So this is the swing movement for this week on GG that I'm catching. Probably by the time it reaches, even if it is this week, I might catch the next impossible move on 4 hours. And if it is next week, then that will be my focus for next week. So the swing movements for the week on UJ and GJ is that. Where's UJ? I thought I saw UJ somewhere around here. Yeah, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. Yeah, this is UJ. So the swing movement, yeah, down here for the week. So that's the explanation of how I got this trade and I took this trade. And also check my previous video to see the explanation on what I thought, what I'm waiting for on ZAL USD. You can see I'm still waiting for it around here. What I'm waiting for ZAL USD. I can't just jump in the middle. I want to catch this swing, so I can't just keep jumping in the middle of the trade like, oh, I need to jump in from here, I need to jump in from here. Yeah, I should have taken this trade from here, but it was too fast. You can see this heavy candle. Because I know that this market should still reach here. I'm waiting for this market to reach here. So my first zone is here, while my second zone is here for the week. If the market don't reach there, so I'm not taking the trade from the week. It's above here for the week. Why GU2? Like I said, wow, this GU has already started making swing. This is where I drew out. Where's the 4 hours? The market don't reach where I was expecting. It is very close to it, but doesn't reach there. Yeah. So I don't know, maybe I missed my movement for the week or so. I don't know yet, but I know that, okay, whatever still happen, this is a strong zone. So if I notice a buyer's present around here, I'm going to enter my buy. That's a very strong zone, and you can see this is a liquidity. Market has taken out this liquidity, and all I have to look for is what the market will do next from here, because you can see these are fair value gap. If I notice the buyers present around here, even after taking out this liquidity without touching here, I'm still going to enter my buy, but I'm still targeting this liquidity at the top here. This liquidity, after this liquidity and then notice sellers present, I'm still going to enter my trade. So that was what I came to explain real quick. 9 minutes. So that will be the end of the video. To follow up with all these, you can just check the description, as I always say. So thank you.